Hey guys, today I'm going to show how to make waterfall shape wire-wrapped pearl necklace and earrings. The pearl links with each piece of chain bring a nice look of water flow movement. Today I'm going to use flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, side cutter, nylon jaw pliers to straighten the wire. I've made marks on the round nose pliers. The ones on lower part help me to make bigger loops in the same size. Marks on the top help to make same-sized small loops. A needle file. All the product's information is in the description box. Swarovski white pearls in 6mm, 3 of them are in 8mm. 20 gauge wire. And silver color loose chain. Ball pins. Some jump rings and a clasp. First, cut 3 pieces of 20 gauge wire. One in 18 cm, second one in 20 cm, and the third one in 23 cm. Take the 18 cm piece. Straighten the wire with nylon jaw pliers. Make a loop on the wire with round nose pliers. Follow the marks on the lower part. Next to the first loop, I'm going to make 2 loops. Together they will look like infinity shape. So we've finished the first infinity shape. Then make another infinity shape. Flatten this part with nylon jaw pliers. Place an 8mm pearl. Make one infinity shape again. Flatten this part. Place a 6mm pearl. Then make one more infinity shape. Flatten the infinity shape. Place one 6mm pearl. This is the basic setting for both of the earrings and the necklace. Make 2 more exactly the same settings with the other 2 pieces of wire. I've finished 3 wire-wrapped pearl settings. Take the one made from 23 cm wire. Just add one more infinity shape and one more 6mm pearl. This setting is longer than the other 2. Next, I just grabbed my old eyebrow pencil. Wrap the wire tail on the pencil about 180 degrees. Take a flat nose plier to bend the hook. Trim off the excess wire. Bend the tail. Adjust the angle of the hook to make sure the setting is facing front when we wear it. File the end of the wire to smoothing the sharp ends. We've finished one of the earrings. For the other two settings, grab the one with longer tail to be the other earring. Same way to make the ear wire. Later, I'll add chin with pearl links for this earring. The last setting is going to be the pendant of our necklace. Bend the wire tail to 90 degrees with flat nose pliers. Then make a loop with the marks on the top of the round nose pliers. Trim off the excess. I'm going to add chin and pearl links for both of the pendant and the earring. Cut 8 pieces of chin with side cutter, 6 pieces in 2.7 centimeters each, 2 short pieces in 2.3 centimeters each. Then take a ball pin, place a 6mm pearl. Just like how we did for the pendant, make a loop. With the marks on the top of the pliers. Trim off the excess. Center the loop. Same way to make another 7 pearl links, so now we have 8 pearl links in total. Attach 1 pearl link to each piece of the chain. I've finished all of them. Next, attach each piece of the chain with pearl link to the loops on one side of the pendant, as shown in this photo. Use jump rings to connect them. First one is a pearl link with long chain. Second one is the same. Third one is 1 pearl link with a short chain. The last one is a pearl link with a long chain. Bend the loop on the top to create a bit of angle for the pendant. Then cut 2 pieces of chain, 20 centimeters each. Attach the clasp with a jump ring to one of the chain. connect a jump ring to the other chain. Take a jump ring to connect the pendant with 2 pieces of chain. So we've finished the necklace. Attach the 4 pearl links with the chain on the short earring, just like how we did for the pendant. Exactly the same steps. So we've finished the earrings. That's all for today. Really hope you like this design. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.